Hi there, this is YouTube tips number 4. If you want to look your YouTube earnings in your AdSense account, how to check it? You just signing your AdSense account, then you can see the home page like this, the last balance and performance report like this. Go down the performance report, there have an option view report. Click that. Now click the add button, product, then select the last option YouTube host, then click apply. Now you can see the today's report. This is the earnings. This is the first today's page views and clicks, RPM, and the last one the total earnings of today. Then there have a lot of options there. Yesterday earning and 7 days earning, the last month, this month earnings. You can select a lot of options here. This is the way to check your YouTube earnings in your AdSense account. Okay friends, I think the video will helping you. If you like my videos, please click the subscribe and bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.